be on judge. Yeah, I get to eat.
Hi, my name is Sonia and this is Oli Ingrabo from Nanakuli High School. Hey, we're Waipahu High School. My name is Rachel.
Hi, my name is Andre Oliva and
Jacob Pagdillo.
Francesca Tano from Jintum High School Receivers.
I'm Victoria Williams. I'm from Moanalua High School.
I'm Luke Kobayashi. I'm from Moanalua High School.
We are from Farrington High School, and then my name is Roosevelt Ignacio.
And my name is Shanti. So for today we made a seared beef tenderloin, which is topped off with an Indian kurma sauce, garnished with pistachio nut relish, and on the side of that we made butternut squash risotto arancini and roasted Brussels sprouts and tomatoes.
We prepared a Asian style tri-tip with culture mash.
and we topped it off with some ginger soy aioli, tempura shiso, and pickled onions, and some bok choy.
Well, our dish was 3 different dishes combined. The west side, you mix a lot of foods together and you just eat it. It tastes like really on.
So a smoked mustard glazed sirloin with sweet potato mash and a sweet orange vinaigrette salad.
We made a double marinated short baked beef on a bed of jasmine, garlic fried rice, pinaked salad, and garnished with Hawaiian calamansi soy reduction and chive oil.
This competition because it gives the students a chance to shine and show off their creativity.
So what the kid did and make a makeshift smoker, that was incredible. So it shows that they have a creative mind and they know how to achieve what they're going after. If they're going after the smoke taste, what do I have to do to get that smoke taste? He did it.
I mean, absolutely incredible work by these young chefs of tomorrow. A lot of the reason we partnered together because we're on a similar mission. We're trying to build food systems in Hawaii for the best food, and a lot of that comes directly from the chefs. Their decisions that they make in the kitchen, that's what is going to help us increase our food security.
We got the products in Hawaii. You need it, they're everywhere. We got a good abundance of vegetables, we're raising meat, we got our ocean full of seafood. I mean, the list goes on and on. I just hope they follow their dream and someday I'll be eating at one of their restaurants.
I was really just trying to expand my knowledge because it's like my first official cooking competition.
Time is everything. Like, if your time management is bad in the kitchen, I don't think you should be a chef. Yeah.
Our main challenge was that we burnt our korma sauce, so we actually had to restart over. And then also the beef tenderloin, it was very thick and we didn't expect that. So when we were cooking it, it was a little bit raw, so we had to put it in the oven and stick it in there.
Time management? Yeah, time management.
Teamwork is enough.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Communication.
Yeah.
There are no losers. You are all winners for entering because nobody else wanted to take you guys on. You guys are the best 7 that came out, so give yourselves a hand.
Hi, I'm Campbell from Pearl City High School. We've been participating for 3 years and we love this competition because it gives the students a chance to shine and show off their creativity. We also really enjoy the gala event. It's a chance to interact with all of the guests and the students are getting that exposure that they wouldn't necessarily get.
Hi, my name is Luke.
Hi, my name is Victoria.
And we are from Moanalua High School. The Aloun Gala helps with special products such as Kunoa beef,
It helps us buy equipment for our school.
And it also helps us with school projects. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mr. Mitsuda from Moanalua High School. The Aloun Farms Gala allows us to purchase exotic ingredients like this, Kunoa beef, where our students get to work with it. It also helps us propose new ideas to administration and purchase new equipment. It is a wonderful event and our kids love and appreciate everything that the farm does for us.
I'm Lance.
And I'm Skylar.
And we're from Pearl City High School. And thank you for attending our gala.
The money donated is used for culinary scholarships and renovating our kitchen. We hope you enjoyed the food tonight.
Thank you.
Mahalo.